Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for server performance, memory. Specifically, we're looking at the OWC 64GB DDR4 3200MHz ECC registered RDIMM, a module designed to breathe new life into your Dell EMC PowerEdge servers. This isn't your everyday desktop RAM. This is ECC registered memory, a specialized type used in workstations and servers where data integrity is paramount. ECC, or Error Correcting Code, memory detects and corrects internal data corruption, preventing crashes and ensuring smooth operation, especially under heavy workloads. The registered aspect adds another layer of stability, buffering commands to ease the load on the memory controller, allowing for greater density and reliability. The OWC module boasts a speed of 3200 MHz, PC4-25600, and a CAS latency of 22, CL22, operating at a standard 1.2V. These specifications are important, but compatibility is key. OWC has specifically designed this memory to work seamlessly with Dell EMC PowerEdge models R6515, R6525, R750, R750XA, and R750XS. It's a direct replacement for Dell part numbers 370 AVP, AA783423, AA799110, AA810828, AB214253, P2MYX, SMPP2MYX E64G, and SMPP2MYX E64VXR, taking the guesswork out of upgrading. It's crucial to understand that this ECC registered memory is not compatible with standard desktop computers or unbuffered memory. Attempting to mix different types of memory can lead to system instability or failure. Always consult your server's documentation to confirm compatibility before making any upgrades. OWC stands behind its products with a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered should any issues arise. Upgrading your server's memory is one of the most effective ways to improve performance and extend its lifespan. With OWC's ECC registered server memory, you can maximize your existing infrastructure or build a new one with confidence. It offers a reliable and compatible solution for Dell EMC PowerEdge servers, ensuring data integrity and system stability. If you're looking to boost your server's capabilities, the OWC 64GB DDR4 3200MHz ECC registered RDIMM is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.